Join me as I try to turn one simple idea into a $1,000,000 success story for someone who needs it. You know, I've always believed that anyone can create wealth with just one simple idea. In fact, I've seen it happen to people around me, and I've experienced it myself. I remember when I was in my early 20s, struggling to make ends meet, and a friend of mine came up with this crazy idea to sell handmade jewelry online. It was a simple idea, but it ended up generating tens of thousands of dollars in revenue within just a few months. But let's be real, creating wealth isn't always easy. There are so many misconceptions about wealth and the overwhelming challenges many face when trying to achieve financial success. We've all been led to believe that making money requires a fancy degree, or working 100 hours a week, or even worse, being born into the right family. But none of that is true. In reality, most millionaires are ordinary people who have simply figured out how to solve a problem, or create value for others, or identify an opportunity that others have overlooked. But even when we try to create wealth, we often get stuck in the mindset that it's going to take years, or decades, or even a lifetime to achieve financial freedom. We think we need a business plan, or investors, or a team of experts. We think we need to be a genius, or have some kind of special talent. But the truth is, most millionaires started with just one simple idea. They didn't start with a business plan, or a team of experts. They started with a problem they wanted to solve, or a passion they wanted to pursue. And then there's the fear of failure. So many of us are held back by the fear of failure, the fear of what others will think, the fear of not being good enough. But the reality is, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success. Every successful person has failed at some point, but they didn't let that failure hold them back. They kept pushing forward, they kept learning, they kept growing. So, what's the simple idea that led to this millionaire success story? Well, it all started with a passion for fitness. My friend, let's call him Alex, was a fitness enthusiast who was tired of the poor quality of fitness supplements available in the market. He wanted to create a supplement that was all natural, non-GMO, and eco-friendly. He spent months researching, testing, and perfecting his formula. He spent hundreds of dollars on Facebook ads, trying to get his product in front of the right audience. And slowly but surely, the orders started coming in. Alex didn't have any experience in business, or marketing, or even fitness for that matter. But he had a passion, and he had a problem he wanted to solve. He didn't let his lack of expertise hold him back. He kept pushing forward, kept learning, kept growing. And within a year, his supplement company was generating over $1 million in revenue. The moment of breakthrough came when Alex realized that his supplement wasn't just a product, it was a movement. It was a way for people to take control of their health, to take control of their lives. He started partnering with fitness influencers, with wellness centers, with yoga studios. He started creating a community of like-minded individuals who shared his passion for fitness and wellness. And that's when the magic happened. I remember when Alex told me about his breakthrough. He was ecstatic, he was emotional, he was proud of himself. He said, "I did it, I actually did it." And I said, "You did it, Alex, but not just because of your hard work, not just because of your passion. You did it because you believed in yourself, you believed in your idea." So, what's the moral of the story? It's not about the idea, it's not about the business plan, it's not about the marketing strategy. It's about the execution, it's about the mindset, it's about believing in yourself. Alex didn't start with $1 million idea, he started with a simple idea, and he executed it to perfection. He believed in himself, he believed in his product, and he believed in his customers. And that's what I want to leave you with today. It's not about the idea, it's about what you do with it. It's not about the resources, it's about the resourcefulness. It's not about the talent, it's about the willingness to learn, to grow, to push forward. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts on this idea, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to see more inspiring stories, more success stories, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about Alex's journey, check out the video in the description box below.